Hey guys, Javin here. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you should grow your hair past the awkward stage before even thinking about growing any medium hair or longer hairstyle. Enjoy. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. This does not apply to only Asian guys. If your hair type is similar to an Asian, which means that when your side hair is growing out, it sticks out, this applies to you as well. And if you're someone who wants a medium or longer hairstyle, there's no way around it. You would have to grow past the awkward stage. And in this stage, it basically means that your hair will look awkward, it will stick out, it will look ugly. And there are several ways you can do to cover that up for the time being. The first and most common way is by wearing a cap. So by wearing a cap, you just cover your sides. No one can be able to see that it sticks out. Especially if you're going out in the summer, it's hot out, you wear a cap, no one will look at you weirdly. So yeah, just wear a cap. The second method is by wearing a do-rag, and a do-rag basically is used to compress your hair. I can quickly show you what it looks like. So over here. Yeah, when you wear that, your hair also presses close to your scalp, and that also helps make your hair stick down a little bit better. If you're open to perming products, there are also perming products like the D-Perm that you can use to perm your hair so that it goes downwards. But other than these advice, there's only so much you can do to your hair. Either you want to cut it all off or you grow it out. So for a two-block haircut, for example, or if you have any kind of hairstyle that has top hair covering your sides, this allows you to grow your side hair while this top hair is covering your side hair. So it doesn't look as awkward when your hair is growing out and sticking out like a porcupine. And while growing your hair out, I just want to stress that you guys have to be really patient and not to rush to shave your hair off right away. Wait 3 to 4 weeks for your hair to grow out. If after that time period your side hair still sticks out, you should wait another 3 to 4 weeks. This time period is by far the most awkward you will experience because your hair will not look right. You will be in that phase where it's not too long or not too short. But once you get past that hurdle, guys, then you can grow out medium or longer hairstyles. My top hair is growing out really nicely, and once it grows out longer enough, it will just stick down naturally due to gravity. So yeah, this is what you guys want to achieve. Just be patient in everything you do, whether you're growing your hair out or doing any activity that you want to advance your life. Always remember that good things take time and enjoy the journey along the way. If you guys like this video, let me know down in the comments below and check back next time. Such a kid. Such a kid. Yay! Babe, you have to match it.
No.
Ah.